Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys quick video, and in this video I'm gonna show you in Skoda Fabia um, heater speed. You know, the heater speed 1 2 3 no working or have a problem. Right guys, so this is a car, Skoda Fabia 2017. You can see here the heater blower 1 is not working, 2 is not working, 3, or sometimes one works, second one and third one doesn't work, or sometimes it 1 or 2, 1 till 3 it doesn't work, and fourth one only working, and fan blowing, the heats, everything. Only 3 2 1 is not working. So I'm gonna show you quickly how to change. This is a problem most likely with the heat resistor. So heat resistor always in Skoda and VW, most of these cars they have under this glove box. So we're gonna open this glove box. So this is very simple and easy method, and all you need to change the heat resistor in this car, which is you need T20, this T20 torque, and that T20, you can see this is a star key. It's got few screws there. I'm gonna quickly one by one show you. There's a one screw is here, right here, right? So I would suggest just open the two bottom one first, so if it fell, so it doesn't fall on your hand or something. So one, two is on the bottom. So let's open the first bottom one. There you go. Put in the side. And same way you know how to change the heat blower fan as well. So after this you go one right in there, then last two are gonna open, last three actually, all together 6 screws. One in the top corner, yeah. One is here, the one last one is in the middle. So you got two there, one's in the top, one's in the bottom. Don't open the bottom one, just open the top one. You see, it just slides down. It's very easy and simple, so just need to be careful. Go select the switch that off, and need to disconnect this wiring to take the glove box out. So it's that's gone out. You got this one, which is the airbag one. After this you have put the airbag lights on. So you need to pull the red button, pull it up, and you can use the screwdriver. Same time you can and you go one more wire there, which I would say you can leave it. You can take that out as well, but it's almost on the floor, plug box. So we need to do, this is the fan, and you can see next to the fan top right there, that one is heat resistant. So to take out this one, you don't need to open any screw. All you need to do, just put your hand there and do the anti-clockwise, spin anti-clockwise, and you see anti-clockwise, done it, and it will loose and it will come out. It came out. So that's the Skoda heat resistant, and you can see that's the same for the Audi and VW as well. To take out, you have to press these two pins. See, press it. That's the new one, exactly same, and same process. I'm gonna put that. So first we're gonna do that, or you can directly push that in, lock it clockwise, and then put the wire. For me it's easier, doesn't matter, you can do that way as well. And then you can push the wire. So after pushing this cable, then you have to put this cables back in here. So this is an airbag one, which is going right on the one side. Move around. Then this is this is for the light. Hold this cable back. Then that's it. So same way we're gonna try the top screws first. So there was a 6 screw altogether. T20. Finally, it's got 2 more screws underneath. I'm gonna do that. Two screws here. This one is here. One last one is here. So guys, I'm gonna check now. Guys, working. Let me start first. Only you have to reset the airbag light because you unplug the, so now this is number 2 is working, number 3 is working as well, and number 4 is working. Is working, so that fixed problem.